a day. Now, the milk you consume may be contaminated due to poor pre- and post-harvest handling. This is according to a study by the International Livestock Research Institute that reveals that about 50% of milk samples collected from the counties of Nakuru, Laikipia and Nyandarua are contaminated, hence the need for immediate action to stem poor milk handling by farmers and vendors.
Over 5 billion litres of milk is produced in the country annually, making Kenya a leading milk producer in the region. Of these, smallholder dairy farmers contribute 75% of the total milk produced in Kenya. Despite this, researchers are raising an alarm over the high rates of milk contamination from smallholder producers due to poor handling and unhygienic storage arrangements.
The way to control these adulterations is just maybe to have our regulators, especially the Kenya Dairy Board, to be more active. If they have less staff, let them be a bit more, let them have more extension officers related to this part of quality control.
The study that was conducted in Nakuru, Laikipia and Nyandarua counties found that the informal value chain often transports unrefrigerated milk on motorcycles, exposing it to varying temperature and pollutants.
Safety of the milk is dependent on three things. Number one, it could be microbiological. Number two, it could be chemical. And number three, it could be physical.
According to the study, out of 493 milk samples tested, 237 were contaminated with Pseudomonas spp. And the researchers discovered traces of Escherichia coli in 207 samples.
Microorganisms are in the environment and they are on the person's body, and they are in the water. So anytime you don't treat these things correctly, then you have a problem. So in this case, we need high standards of hygiene.
The researchers say a majority of farmers do not adhere to proper animal waste disposal, proper chemical handling and guidelines on animal welfare standards that are aggravating the situation. Reporting for Prime Edition, I am Teresa Mutai.